We had the debate today, and I think I did fine, and I think that my opponents, who I found very difficult to listen to, because all they did was buzz in their rhetorical, ideological way. They said not one thing that I didn't predict they would say, which is the hallmark of an ideologue, right? If I'm talking to you and you're telling me the truth, you're going to tell me weird and interesting things about yourself. And it's going to be fascinating. And I know this because I've spent tens of thousands of hours talking to people. If you get people to start telling you the truth, they're weird and interesting, like platypuses and kangaroos and rhinoceroses. People are strange and interesting when they're telling you about their own experience. And when they're ideologues, it's just buzz. It's like the background rattle of 1,000 identical demons. It's horrifying to hear, and it's impossible to listen to. And that's all I heard today at the debate. It's like, yes, as Solzhenitsyn talked about these sorts of people in the Gulag Archipelago. These were the communists that had been put in the camps and betrayed by their own system. You know, he said it was like there was, just I'm paraphrasing, it was like there was a crank on the side of their head. You could just turn it and they would produce ideologically correct rubbish, and you could predict every word, and that's all I heard today. Those are people who are hypothetically going to be educating their children. It's like, send them to the damn trades where they can do something useful. Keep them the hell out of the humanities, and even, I would say, even the social sciences. It's absolutely dreadful.